I'm Bradley Cutts. I'm the Technical Support Manager for North London and East Anglia, and today we're in Haverhill at a residential property doing an LVT installation. For today's installation, we've chosen to use ARDEX CL+. It's the newest member of the ARDEX family. ARDEX CL+ differs from ARDEX CL because it can be used on a multitude of subfloors. On this installation, we've got some old adhesive residues and some old smoothing compounds, so we've chosen to use ARDEX CL+ as it's able to be applied directly to adhesive residues and old smoothing compounds. ARDEX CL+ is also moisture tolerant, so it can be used to a maximum 6 mil beneath a DPM. It's also fibre reinforced to give extra strength and flexibility. Some of the real key benefits of using ARDEX CL+ is its outstanding flow properties. It also requires very little, if any, preparation prior to installing your floor coverings. It's also faster in drying, so your standard ARDEX CL, which was 12 hours, has now been reduced to ARDEX CL+ at 8 hours.
I'm Gary Haig, Technical Support Manager for ARDEX in the North East. We're here today now the smoothing compound has dried and we're going to start the LVT install. The LVT we're installing today has been supplied by CFV Direct. All the materials have been inside the property for a couple of days so they can acclimatise to the area that they're going to be installed in. And the adhesive we're going to be using is ARDEX AF145 hybrid flooring adhesive. So the beauty of using ARDEX AF145, you can use it as a wet set adhesive or a pressure sensitive, but for this install we're going to be using it as a wet set so we can start installing the LVT in as little as 5 minutes.